It's going to be a wedding to remember. And we do welcome you here this evening to witness the marriage vows and share in this special day of JC and Jocelyn.
Hold out your hand, yeah. Every day you're with me when I think I can't stand, You got big things coming, part of your plan, yeah. Step up in your line, I see you're the one I want.
And now she has taken the role of wife, finally. Woo, finally. It's about time. To a partner that couldn't be more perfect for her. Like, he fits like a glove. I've seen these two become adults together and be there for one another through good times and also through really bad times.
You're known for always having a smile on your face, and now Jocelyn's there to keep that smile on your face forever.
Just been looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight. Just been looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight. Big mountain, what do I say? Them can never love you my way.
Thank you, Jocelyn, to me, my wedded wife.
To love and to cherish till death do us part.
I now pronounce JC and Jocelyn husband and wife.
But you're falling down and down and down. Just been looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight. Just been looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight.
Estamos aquí, mi gente, en la boda de Jocelyn y JC. We love you, we love you.
But sana sana nakupenda, roho yangu umeguza, Mungu ni shoka.